This video, I hope it gives you an easy, cheap idea of a date, an outdoor date, of course, to take your wife, take your girlfriend. So I came about this because state parks, the camping industry is crazy now, and on a weekend, trying to book like a last minute, a couple weeks out, trying to get into a campground is almost impossible nowadays. So this is how we came about this, me and the wife. We have a state park that's only about 20 minutes away from us. It's a beautiful park. I said, hey, let's just go there for the day. So I packed up, I had a backpack, we did a hammock, we did a bottle of wine, we did our lunch. And so then we went on the trail, we hiked for a couple hours, and then we went off the trail. We found, and then this park has a lot of creeks and cutbacks through the valleys. So we found a place off the main trail where people aren't going, and we set up a hammock. So in this video, you're going to see that we have two different hammocks. This video, we're in North Carolina. We went there for a vacation, and we've been hiking for 4 days. We're tired, we're exhausted. We just wanted a little bit more comfort. So we had two separate hammocks. But a lot of times when we're here and we just want that perfect little date time, we'll take one of our double hammocks and we'll both go inside and we'll sit there, eat our lunch, and then we cuddle and we take about an hour nap, and then we finish the hiking trail back to the vehicle. So a quick, easy date night. The birds chirping, get a creek in the background where you got the water flowing and you can hear the water. For me, it just knocks me out, puts me to sleep. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it gives you a cheap, easy date idea. And one day, I'll see you out there.
Could be a good area. Oh, it's an old camp. Yeah, there's plenty of trees that's set up here. Gosh, that water's so clear. Beautiful. Yeah.
I'm showing the wife how to set up a hammock. She forgot how I tie the rope to the tree and set up the hammock. The way I do it, I do a D knot. I use plain rope, and then I have carabiners that they come with the hammocks. The ropes come with the hammocks. I do make my ropes a little longer that I bring with. But check out some videos on YouTube. Check out how to do a D knot. It's simple, it's easy, and you don't need special straps to hang a hammock.
kick them boots off.